Okay, so now I will call your name. So I hope your name is on the screen. Okay? Okay. So 1 second. And who is that? Already started on the screen. Now you can't do anything. Okay. Okay. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, dash and dash. Raise your hand on the screen so I can see. Okay, Rishan. Oh, where did you go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rishan. Tell me the answer. Animals move from one place to another in search of food.
Ma'am, I'm Tarun.
Oh, okay. Okay, Tarun, you tell me. Because I can't see you on my screen.
Water.
Okay. And?
Shelter.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you mute yourself? Okay, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Human beings move around using their dash. Okay, Catherine. Yes. Unmute and speak. Human beings move around using their dash. What's the answer? I can't hear you.
Legs.
Legs. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Okay. Dash and dash move around using wings. Who wants to tell me the answer? Wait, I saw somebody. Vidhur, correct? Vidur? Is your name Vidur? Yeah. Unmute and speak. Yeah. Tell me the answer. Dash and dash move around using wings.
Birds and mammals.
Sorry?
Birds and mammals.
Okay, it's not mammals, it's birds and insects. All of y'all can repeat. Birds and insects move around using their wings. Okay, Vidur, can you mute yourself? Okay. Fish swim using their dash. Okay, I think Nathaniel. Yes.
Their scales.
Fish swim using their dash.
Fins.
Okay. Okay, can you mute yourself? Who's not on mute? Okay. Non-living things dash move. Okay, Gia.
Do not move.
Do not move. Okay, 1 second. Okay, do not move. All living things grow with dash. Can you mute yourself, Gia? We'll ask somebody else. Okay. All living things grow with dash. Very simple. Okay, Sanchi. Yeah. Unmute.
All living things grow with food and water.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. But there's a specific word we say. Okay, you mute yourself. I'll ask somebody else. Okay, Shri Aditya. Yes.
Time.
Time. Okay, very good. All living things live up to an age called. Aditya, mute yourself. I'll ask somebody. Okay, all living things live up to an age called. Monica, correct? Yes.
Lifespan.
Lifespan. Why is it not coming? Okay, 1 second. I'll try again. My screen stopped. Okay, it is lifespan. Okay, we're going to the next one. It says answer the following. Draw two living and non-living things. You can just name two living and non-living things for me. Okay, first name two living things for me. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Because I'm seeing you in this grid, okay? Don't raise your hand on the screen. I can see you here. Okay, let's give somebody who hasn't answered a chance. Who wants to answer? Mansi? You want to answer? Okay. Tell me two living things that you can draw.
Dog and cat.
Dog and cat. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Okay. Two non-living things. Parth, correct? Yes, Parth. Two non-living things that you can draw.
A doll and a toy car.
Okay, very good. A doll and a toy car. Anything can be a non-living. Okay. So the next question. Why is the screen not working? Okay, wait. Sorry, my screen is not working. Something happened. Okay, going on to the next question. Name the features of living things. We learned, isn't it? In the offline video, we learned about many features. So one of y'all tell me one feature. Who wants to answer? I can see you in the grid. So raise your hand on your screen here. Okay. Okay. Amolika. I'm sorry if I pronounce your names wrong. Yeah. Yes, Amolika. Tell me one feature.
Living things breathe.
Very good. Living things breathe. Okay, you can mute yourself. Anybody else? Okay, I think Shravya. No? I don't know who's. Yes. Okay, tell me the next one. Living
things can move.
Okay, very good. Living things can move. Okay. The next feature. We learnt about another two features we have. Okay, Manish. Yes, Manish.
Living things need to eat.
Living things, be little loud.
Living things want to eat.
Okay, they need food, you mean. Okay. So living things grow and living things need food. Okay, Manish, can you mute yourself? Okay, we're moving on to the next one. Okay, why do living things need food? We learned about this also, isn't it? Oh, I saw somebody raising their hand. Okay, Rachit. Yes, Rachit.
Living things need food to stay alive.
Okay, they need food to remain alive and to grow. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Okay, coming on to the next one. List any two differences between animals and plants. Okay, I have few answers, but if you say the right answer, I will tell you you're right. Okay. Okay, Pooja. Yes. Unmute and speak. No, you're on mute still.
Animals cannot make own food, ma'am.
Okay, animals don't make their own food. Very good. Okay, another one. Can you mute yourself, Pooja? Okay. I'll ask.
Animal can move about, ma'am. Cannot move.
Okay.
Can move.
Okay, animals can move. Okay. Okay, you mute yourself. I'll ask somebody else. Okay, what about plants? Tell me one difference that is there between the animals and plants. Anyone? Shauna, correct? Oh, I missed you. I don't know where you went. Just a second. Yeah, found you. Yes, yes, Shauna, answer. Unmute and speak, yeah.
Plants give oxygen.
Okay, plants give oxygen. Okay, that's also right. Another one? Anything else? Okay, I've put there plants make their own food. Yeah, plants give us oxygen. That's also correct. And we give out, what do we give out? What is the gas we give out? What is the air we give out? What's it called? Who wants to answer? This is a trick question. Who wants to answer? What's the air we give out? Oh, okay. Jershan, correct? Yes. Unmute and speak.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Okay, very good. Okay, so the other one is, you can say that since we said animals can move, we can say that plants are fixed, isn't it? They're fixed to the ground. They can't move. Okay, so now my screen is getting stuck. Wait. Okay, so now all of y'all have your textbooks with you, isn't it? Yes or no? All of y'all have your textbooks with you? Okay, turn to page 13. We'll be reading the textbook. And for those of you who don't have your textbooks, I have it on the screen here. Okay? I will ask each of you to read one paragraph, one small paragraph. Okay? All of y'all are ready? Okay. Whom shall we ask? Who's this asking me control of the screen? Children, didn't I mention y'all are big children? Y'all are in grade 3. Okay? I don't want to repeat myself. Okay, Mohammad Abir. Unmute? Yeah. Read the paragraph on living things move under animals. Everybody follow him. Okay? Yeah. You can read.
Human beings move around using their legs.
Okay. Next one.
Birds and insects fly using their wings.
Okay. Next one.
Fish swim using their fins.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, very good. So, living things move, isn't it? Can you all move? All of y'all are moving from here to this side, to this side. You can go off your screen, isn't it? So, we all move, but we all move in different ways, isn't it? Human beings, we use our legs. Birds, they use their wings. And fish, they use their fins. Okay. Coming to plants, this small paragraph, I will ask somebody to read. You can raise your hand if you want to read. Okay. I think Shaurya, correct? I'm sorry, I don't know who's who because two of y'all are sitting. Yeah, you can tell me your name and then read. What's your name?
Shravya.
Okay, Shravya. Read from plants and end till them. Read.
Plants do not move from one place to another as they are fixed in the soil.
As they are fixed in the soil.
Non-living things such as stones, toys, and chairs cannot move by themselves. They move only when someone moves them.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. I think both of y'all read at the same time. Anyway, thank you. Okay. The next one, living things grow. Who wants to read that? All of y'all have your textbooks. For those who don't have, it's on the screen, okay? But make sure you're following your friends who are reading. Who wants to read? Or shall I call your name? Desmond, is that your name? Yeah. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. You can read from living things grow.
All living things grow with time.
Wait, just a second. You don't have your textbook with you? Okay, that's not the problem.
I have, ma'am.
You have it with you. Then read from page 13. Go on to the next page.
Hey, ma'am. A minute. You open
Okay.
for me. Ma'am, I need to start from all living things grow with time, right?
Yeah.
Living things grow. All living things grow with time. Right?
Okay.
A baby grows into an adult. A puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. A chick grows into a hen. Plants also grow. A seed grows into a seedling that may later grow into a small plant or a tree. Non-living things do not grow.
Okay. Okay, very good. You can mute yourself. Who is trying to
Yes,
take control of my screen, children? This is the last warning. Otherwise, I will have to remove you from the meeting. Okay. Now, I want somebody to read just lifespan. Who wants to read? Somebody who hasn't got a chance. Okay, Shanmita. Yes, unmute and read this part. Yes, Shanmita.
All living things
Live.
live up to certain age called lifespan.
Okay.
The lifespan of a dog is 10 to 12 years. A butterfly lives up around for 20 to 30 days. Non-living things are not born, do not grow, and do not die. They do not have lifespan.
Okay, very good. Okay, moving on. We will read only till living things need food. Okay. Anybody else? Somebody who hasn't got a chance today. Okay. Avyut? Yes. Unmute and read. From living things.
living things need food.
I want all of y'all to follow when your friend is reading. I'm watching all of you. Yes, yes, continue, Avyut.
Things need food to remain alive and grow.
Okay.
Plants make their own food. They need air, water, sunlight to make food.
Continue.
Animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals. Non-living things do not need food.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is what we learned so far. All of y'all understood? Again, I'll repeat myself. We learned about the features of living and non-living things. One is we all breathe, isn't it? Living things breathe, non-living things don't breathe. Living things grow, non-living things don't grow. Living things need food, non-living things don't need food. Okay? All of y'all understood so far? Okay, I think many of y'all haven't viewed yesterday's video yet. That is why all of y'all are confused. Okay, make sure you go and see the offline video so you can understand better. And today, whatever we did as the revision, I've already sent the PDF on Campus Care. So I want all of y'all to write it down in your notebooks with the right answer. Okay, is that fine? All of y'all understood so far? And make sure you read your textbook when you're free, okay? Or when you have time, okay? You can read till where we have finished. That is still living things need food. Okay, children? Okay, do you all have any doubts? Anybody wants to ask me something regarding science? Yeah, I can see Siddharth. Very good. See, Siddharth is holding up his book with him, written all the PDF and all. Very good, Siddharth. Okay. Anybody needs to ask me anything? Okay, Jershan? Yes. Unmute and speak. What happened?
Ma'am, if I, for example, I pick up a book and I leave it outside, it won't do anything. It will still remain there, right?
Yeah.
Even when someone moves it, it will move.
Exactly. Right? Yeah. Actually, see, that's a non-living thing, isn't it? Only when a living thing moves it from one place to another, the non-living thing moves. See, I lifted my phone's in my hand, and then I keep it back. It's not going to move till I lift it back again. Okay. So that's about non-living things and living things. Okay, Rishan, you have a doubt? Yes. Unmute and
Mom, I already finished the whole chapter of non-living things and living things.
You finished already? Very good. Okay, that's good. But few of your friends, see, all of us, they haven't finished. Okay, so we'll all go slowly with the lesson. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Tanush, you want to say something? Unmute and speak.
I also completed the non-living things chapter, living and non-living things. I completed it already.
Okay. Okay. I would prefer y'all not to finish because I not only teach you just the chapter, I tell you a lot of information and all of that. So it's good if you don't finish the chapter. But anyway, since you finished, but we'll all be considerate about our other friends and we'll all go slowly. Okay? Okay, Rachit, you want to say something? What happened? Unmute and speak. Yes, Rachit. Yes.
Ma'am, fish has lot of gills, one on top of another, ma'am.
No. See, now our face is like this, isn't it? We have eyes in the front. But what happens to the fish? No, it has eyes on either side of its face. Okay. And something like how we have our cheeks, they have something known as gills. How do we breathe? We breathe through our nose, isn't it? But the fish, they breathe through their gills. So it's like a flap. It opens and it closes. So it inhales the water, the fish inhale the water and it goes out through the gills. So this is how the fish breathe under water. Okay, understood? Okay. Anybody else? Or shall we end the class? Okay, make sure you are writing all the PDFs that are sent. And also you can download the video from Campus Care. Whatever video I'm sending on Campus Care, make sure you download it. So you don't have to keep coming back on Campus Care to check the videos. Okay? Is that fine, children? Thumbs up. All of y'all became serious suddenly. It's okay, you can smile. Okay? So all of y'all make sure you are right that I'm repeating myself again. You can download the video and view the video whenever you feel you have a doubt. Make sure you watch the video so you won't have a doubt again because I've explained there slowly. Okay? Fine. Shall we end the class now? Okay. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.